Ready for dictation, start. It completely glossed over the crucial fact that the sale deed was the culmination of the registered agreement to sell executed between the plaintiff, original respondent, and his predecessor in title dated 13 September 1979, to which reference has been made in the registered sale deed as under by reference to the aforementioned registered agreement to sell, the same got incorporated into the sale deed stop. The registered agreement to sell executed in favor of the plaintiff in no uncertain terms admits the fact that the sued property belongs to the government and the right which is being transferred is only the right of enjoyment of possession of the said and granted under the old grant, which insured to the predecessor in title of the plaintiff stop. The relevant recital in the registered agreement to sell reads thus: notable, this registered agreement to sell refers to the title and interest of the previous owner of the sued property, which was derived by him from the immediate predecessor in title in terms of registered sale deed dated 15 December 1970 stop. Indisputably, even the said registered sale deed dated 15 December 1970 between Shri M.J. Goldie and Sardar Kartar Singh and 5 others restates the fact that the sued property belongs to the government with limited right to enjoyment of possession thereof, as can be discerned from the recitals in the said deed, which reads thus: stop para. There is one more registered sale deed which has come on record between Mr. Chandu and Mrs. Ekta, dated 2nd August 1948 stop. The same has bearing on the issue of ownership of the sued property stop. Even this sale deed consideredly restates that the sued property vests in the government stop. The relevant recitals reads thus: indubitable, the plaintiff acquired the sued property under the registered sale deed dated 14th August 1980 on the same terms, and therefore executed the admission deed and declaration contemporaneously at the time of registration of the sale deed on 19th August 1980 stop. The admission deed executed by the plaintiff reads thus: the plaintiff advisedly, after receipt of the suit notice dated 19th August 1985, wherein it is asserted that the suit property is government land and given under old grant classified as B3 category, and that the government wants to resume the same, choose to file suit simpliciter for permanent injunction against the appellant defendant from dispossessing the plaintiff from the suit property pursuant to the suit notice stop. In the wake of clear stand taken in the suit notice, the plaintiff ought to have filed the suit for a declaration that the claim set up by the defendant in the suit notice of ownership of the suit property is illegal stop. Obviously, the plaintiff was aware that the only right passed on to him was for enjoyment of the suit property granted under the old grant as class B3 stop. The land belonged to the government of India stop para. Indeed, the plaintiff did set up a claim of ownership of the suit property, firstly on the basis of registered sale deed dated 14th August 1980, secondly having occupancy rights in the suit property which was analogous ownership rights, and thirdly that the plaintiff has full ownership rights by adverse possession over the suit property being in long and undisturbed possession without paying off any rent for over 60 years. As regards the claim of absolute ownership of the plaintiff on the basis of rights derived under the registered sale deed dated 14th August 1980, the same cannot be countenanced. Stop in the backdrop of the factual position emerging from the registered agreement to sell dated 13 September 1979, which preceded the execution of the subject registered sale deed dated 14th August 1980. Stop.